So I'm a big fan of Haltech stuff, and for the IC7 there's a function to monitor your tire pressure and temperature. This is actually the unit that actually screws onto your valve stem. And one of the problems that I'm having right now is I set the air pressure a little too high. So one of the easiest way to do it is it comes with a short 10mm wrench. And so for my pressure tester, I need to remove the little 10mm nut that goes on, and then I'm gonna check the pressure to make sure that I'm setting it correct. And so I usually do it at around 32. Then I put the nut back on. And then I screw the sensor. And then to lock it in place, you use the nut behind it to tighten it onto your sensor. So this way it doesn't just screw off. You will need this to do it. So just a quick short video how to add Haltech tire pressure sensor.